Today we will be discussing about the fundamentals of indices and logarithms. When it comes to indices, there are 7 main things that you should know. So take a note of all this. That is a to the power m times a to the power n can be written as a to the power mn, and the second one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n when you take to the numerator. And the third one is a to the power m times to the power n. You can still write this as a to the power mn. And then fourth one, now this is important, this is very basic, a to the power 0 1. Whenever you see a to the power 0, write it as 1. Then fifth one, a to the power minus m, you can write it as 1 over a to the power m. And sixth one, a to the power 1 over n, you can write it as n times root a. And seventh one, which is the last one, a to the power m over n can be written as n times n a m, not n times n a m. So these are the basic rules on indices. Now let's talk about logarithm. Okay, before I get into rules of logarithm, I just want to talk about little bit about logarithms. So if you have something n equals a to the power x, you can write it as log base a n equals x. And logarithm to the base e can be written as log e x, or you can write it as ln x. And also, like, logarithm to the base 10 can be written as log 10x, or you can write it as lgx. So these are the fundamental things that you need to know before you get into rules of logarithm. Okay, let's now see what are the rules of logarithms are. So basically here too, like, you have 7 main rules in logarithm, so we'll just straight away get into it. The first one is log a, log to the base a times mn, can be written as log am plus log a. Then second one, log a m divided by n, you can write it as log a m minus log a. Then the third one, which is log a m to the power r, you can bring the power in front, you can write it as r times log a. And the fourth one, which is log a1, that is simply 0. Log of anything, log of 1 is 0. Then let's see about the fifth one, log a. When you have the base and a equal, then you give it as 1. Sixth one, we call this the change of base formula. Log a b can be written as log cb times divided by log ca. And the final one is log ab 1 over log. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys like the content that I do, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Hope to see you in another video. Have a good day.